Hey guys, Scale Model Snail here. So I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of my workspace. Currently I've got the washer that's ongoing, and over here we have my cat's litter box right next to my lovely workspace and this wonderful glass table to construct on. Excellent. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I'm dealing with right now, and it's a little difficult, a lot of people in the house, a lot of talking. But my ultimate goal is to build a she shed, or a schned, if you will. So how we're gonna go about that is we have this kind of pit of gravel in the backyard. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And so we have this pit of gravel, and what we're gonna try and do is kind of take out some of this fence over here, and then from that point we'll go ahead and put some gravel in, make it a little longer, do like an 8x10 shed, hopefully. And once we get all that set up, I'll have my own little workspace, and it'll be nice, and I can continue doing my art because I love to do my art and I love to do it for you guys. So hopefully, you know, that works out, and that's my goal.